welcome back. So today's video is all about one brand makeup tutorial, and today I have created this matte blue eyes paired with this warm rusty nude lips using only Sugar Cosmetics products, and this is a very easy makeup look which you can actually recreate. So I hope you're gonna like this video, but before going to that, make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So these are all the products which I'm going to use in this video, and everything is from Sugar and everything is purchased with my own money. So at first I'm just using a spoolie to brush out my brows, and I'm using this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade TAUPE, and this is one of my favorite eyebrow products to use for an everyday makeup look. So the consistency is not too waxy, not too creamy, and it holds my brows really well for a very long time, and it doesn't make my brow look too bold to wear for an everyday look. And I think if you're just going to college or office, this is definitely a must-try product. I'm using the spoolie to distribute the product, and you can see I have used only this product to fill in my brows, and it's looking quite nice. Now I am using this Sugar Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade Peach Poppin. Today I'm not using any primer because I don't have Sugar primers with me. So I absolutely love this illuminating moisturizer, guys. This is the closest dupe of the MAC strobing cream, and it just adds such a nice glow from within. You can apply this product on its own and just pat a compact on top of this and you're good to go, but I just absolutely love this product beneath my foundation because it adds such a nice healthy glow onto my face and makes my foundation look really nice. So highly recommended. Now for the foundation, I'm using Sugar Drop the Base Serum Foundation, which comes with this dropper, and I got the shade 42 Glace, and this need to shake before using. So I am just dropping a few drops of this on top of my face, and you can see 42 Glace is a too orangish or too yellow for my skin tone, but I use it. But to be honest, guys, I don't like this foundation that much because it has got very oily texture. So if you have very oily to combination skin, this might look really oily on the skin. For the concealer, I'm using Sugar Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer, one of my favorite concealers, and I absolutely love it because of the texture, because of the finish. It provides such a nice full coverage, blends seamlessly onto my skin. So I'm putting it under my eyes, around my nose, around my mouth, and on the spots that I have, and blending the same with the help of the sponge, and you can see it instantly brightens up my under eyes, and the coverage it gives is so high. So if you want to use a really good high coverage concealer, definitely give this one a shot. One of the best products from Sugar Cosmetics. So now to set my concealer and my foundation, I'm using another favorite product of mine, and it's the Sugar All Set to Go translucent powder. So it's translucent in shade, so this is definitely going to work on all skin tones, and it's very finely milled, and it sets your makeup for a very long time, and perfect for summer days when you want your makeup last for a very long time. So you can definitely give this one a shot. So I have used this product to set my under eyes as well as set my overall face with it. Now it's time to do my eyes, for which I'm using Sugar Blend the Rules Eyeshadow Quad in the shade Skyfall, and these are the 4 shades which comes in this palette. And at first I'm going to use this beige shade from the palette, and in a fluffy blending brush I'm going to apply this all over my crease and slowly blend it very nicely. So this matte shade is really soft and it blends seamlessly. I don't have to work really hard to blend out this shade. And now I'm going to use this mauvish grayish sort of a matte shade from the palette in a small buffing brush. I'm going to apply this right in the outer corner of my eyes like this to create a very nice depth and slowly build up the color. And you can see there is no fallouts, and it blended so seamlessly. I don't have to work so hard. I really like these 2 matte shades, and using a fluffy blending brush again, I'm going to blend out the edges so that everything looks very nice and diffuse and there is no harsh lines. So it's a very easy makeup look which you can actually recreate, guys. I'm taking this royal blue matte shade from the palette, and in a flat shaded brush I'm just fixing a little bit of makeup setting spray to get the best pigmentation and apply it all over my lid like this. So this particular shade is definitely pigmented, but I have seen a lot of patchiness only with this particular shade, guys. I had to apply it a number of times to get the best pigmentation, and it actually separates along my crease line, which is so weird. So you can see I'm just reapplying it a number of times. So that's the only bad part that I have noticed with this particular blue eyeshadow. I'm just blending out the edges, and you can see I need to reapply it again to just make it a lot more intense. So I don't like this particular blue shade. Otherwise, the palette is really good. All the shades work really well. Now to tightline my upper and my lower lash line, I'm using this Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl by SUAGR, and I'm using the shade Back to Black, and this is one of the creamiest, softest jet black kajal that I have in my collection. It applied so smoothly. I don't have to tug or pull my eyes. And using this blue eyeshadow in a pencil brush, I'm gonna just smudge out the kohl on my lower waterline, as you can see, and this has created such a nice smokiness on my lower lash line. Now I'm using my all-time favorite SUAGR I Won't Use So, a double matte liquid eyeliner, and I think probably this is the only eyeliner which I use in most of my videos because I can't stop using it, guys. It's so black, it's completely 100% matte, really long lasting. This is the best eyeliner that I have used till date. So you need to get this, definitely get this one. I don't have SUAGR mascara with me, so I'm using this NYX What the Hype mascara to coat my upper and my lower lashes. You can try SUAGR mascara, they have got amazing mascaras as well. So you can see this is how my eye is now looking after applying the mascara on. I have worn this pair of false eyelash, and this is how my final eye makeup turned out. So now it's time to complete my face makeup, for which I'm using SUAGR Contour de Force face palette in the shade Subtle Summit, and this is also one of my favorite, highly recommended products, and I think you just need to have this palette. If you have this one, you are sorted. It comes with a really nice cool toned contouring shade which works so well for Indian skin tones. It creates such a nice and natural shadow on the areas where you just need to add on your face to make your face look really structured and defined. So definitely get this palette in the shade Subtle Summit, and you're not gonna regret buying this. It's a really great palette, guys. And I'm taking the blush from the same palette and just pop it on the apples of my face, as you can see, and this blush is completely matte, very nice, pigmented, and it's very good for everyday use. Using the highlighter from the same palette, I'm applying this on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and also highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. So this product is having a very nice champagne undertone, so this is definitely going to work on all Indian skin tones. So you can see also highlighting my brow bone with the same product as well. I really love this face palette, guys. It's highly recommended. Definitely give this one a shot. So you can see this is how my highlighter face looks like. Now it's time to do my lips. I'm just removing the excess lip balm that I am having on my face. Now for the lipstick, I'm using my current favorite. It's the SUAGR Matte Attack Transfer Proof lipstick in the shade The Peach Boys, and this is such a gorgeous lip color, guys. It's a very nice, warm, rusty nude shade having a brown undertone which works so well on Indian skin tones, and the formula is equally amazing. It's a matte yet very smooth to apply on the lips, and it's super long lasting. This is just definitely gonna last you forever. So you can use a very nude lip color for this eye look, but I really love this lip color, hence I have used it. And you can see this is how my lips are now looking, and I absolutely love this lip color. I'm setting my face using this L'Oreal makeup setting spray since I don't have SUAGR setting spray, and this is how the makeup turned out. So this is a finished look, guys. This is how I created this makeup look using only products from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is basically a one brand makeup tutorial. And I hope you really like this video, and if you did, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. But we're bringing a lot of more videos. Bye guys.